Alrighty, Mouseworks fans, you know what this means. It looks like a package arrived from Japan, so must be some goodies in there that I'm going to review. I purchased these kits a long time ago and they finally came in and finally got shipped out to me. So let's take a look and see what items I have that will be for review in the next Mouseworks news or two, and see what we got. All right, let's get this thing cut open. If I can fix my knife, there we go. And this is just kind of a teaser to show what will be up for review. Okay. It's Christmas in July. Only if the weather was not 110 degrees, it would be almost Christmas. Okay, so the first item we got, big monster, is one of the Zoids. These are re-released every so often, and this one I finally got its limited edition, and it is the Liger Zero Schneider version. And you can see it's massive, so it's going to have a ton of parts. These are really fun to build. I mean, really fun. Don't have to paint them or glue them if you don't want to, but I will probably do that. But I'm going to add this to the collection, and let's see what else we got in here. Yes, the one that nobody knew was coming, and nobody still knows about it for whatever reason. Trumpeter is doing some really weird things lately with their distributorship. And yes, a blinder, TU-22 blinder. And this one is going to be my replacement for the ESCI one, which I have, which isn't a bad kit, but it's a little long in the tooth because it's old. This one's going to be pretty darn awesome. All right. And yeah, like I said, I don't know why nobody else has announced that one. And this one, which is going to be lots of fun. And this one is the Tamiya Leon AMG. And they've had this carved out before, but not in these markings. I never realized that there was a whole bunch of little line drawings on this. So it's going to be a lot more complicated than I thought, but it's going to be awesome. And being Tamiya, it's going to be a very nice fitting kit. So we'll take a quick pop open of some of those and go from there. All right, look at that, nicely packaged. Awesome, that is going to be awesome. So that's the AMG, which I will do a box review on, I think, in the next few weeks. And next will be the TU-22. Oh yeah, there's the TU-22. Look at that. Wow. I normally would not have sprung for this one because it's kind of expensive, but that's one of my favorite aircraft, Russian aircraft. And God, I wish it was in 48 scale. That'd be a monster. But that's the TU-22. And there's the giant box of Liger. Look at all that. Wow. So, alrighty, so that is a sneak peek and a teaser to get you to keep tuning in and see what's going on with the Mouseworks modeling news, and hope to see you next time. Alright, Mouseworks fans, there's an update on Christmas in July of some stuff that I guess got in the post, and I'll be doing reviews on those. Just to let you know, if you see behind me, I did get up my little medicine wall there that I built a few years back. Got that all set up on my desk. Works great for holding all the small bottles. Anyways, trying to get out to the IPMS Nationals in Chattanooga, which is close to being just about a week or so away. Unfortunately, it's car repairs and things like that are putting a dent in it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go. So if you'd like to donate to that cause, because I would like to scout out a lot of the different kits and make a donation to the channel, and that would help me get out there and get you some more information. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the updates, and check out my Mousework page, mousewerks.com, MAUSWERX.com, for all my tools and supplies to help fund this little organization as well. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.